on rehearsal.
I was gonna say, I'm like, what do you want me to say?
And then, whenever you feel good. Now we're good. Okay.
Cool.
Rolling, and whenever you're ready. Just keep going right around. Pick it up. Oh, this is gonna be a nice flare. J.J. Abrams, bitch. Whenever you're ready. It's good. More of an exposure card. On your mark. We're gonna roll a pig. We're not really doing sound. I also don't really have jobs for you to do. So if you want to keep paying, that's cool, but like, walk away. I'll let you know when you do. Okay, whenever you want. All right, we are rolling. Sweet. When you're ready, good to go. Whenever you want. And cut. Walk out this time. And one more. Go ahead and run in. Thank you. All right, whenever. I didn't change the exposure at all, so don't worry about it this time. Whenever you're ready.
I wasn't framing, but you want me to go all the way up into it?
Yeah, but as like a beat. Like,
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
take it again, but like,
Yeah.
you know, kneel down once, decide you need to move
Yeah.
in a little closer. Sorry.
Alright, you got it.
My tone is a little... Move!
Same pacing as that last one.
Yeah.
And take a moment.
Yeah, and maybe, you know, after you take the picture, you kind of like snap out of it, and you pull the camera away from your head, and you like maybe, you know, behind you, just like you're remembering that the world exists again. All right, whenever you want. Perfect. Just right back down the other way, actually.
Actually go
No,
left?
like do the same thing you just did, but in reverse. Just keep going back, like as far as you can. When I hold 15 pounds of camera gear in one hand, it's not very stable. Nope, you already passed it. That guy right there.
I know it's a different day. Do you want me wearing the watch?
You're no longer experiencing linear time, so it wouldn't mean anything to you.
And Is there any particular state you'd like me to be in, or am I just like wandering through the fucking...
So this is, that's a great question. I should direct you, and you hit the floor. I mean, I'm not gonna make you hit the floor, but you know, fall out of frame. So, you know, you're carrying the momentum of a downward fall, as you go down this hill, basically. But let's try it. Let's just see how it goes.
Even more floaty.
That was good there, although definitely speed up when you come around the corner, because there's
I didn't know
just...
if you were tracking on me.
I'm not really tracking on you, and you're like out of focus in the background of this shot, and then you're walking into focus by the plant. Can you actually can you stand in at the plant? And I'm rolling, so whenever. Rolling.
500T look to it. This is from the short.
Whoa, that's really good.
Let's roll one.
Do you want to stand in for placement where he was?
Nope. And then projectile vomit. Gonna roll another one. And we're rolling.
So much
Nobody going down here.
Yeah, this bitch too crazy.
And action. And action. And action. Just something to cut to.
Alright.
Thought I was recording there. Huh.
So we'll do the creep around.
Yeah, so I'm
and the
rolling.
pullback.
So I've already got a few seconds of, nothing there. So just real slow and steady. So start from the top and end up there.
Do you want me to curl my fingers around like I'm gripping, or just
Curling them around is great. That looks good.
Okay.
Let's get one more.
One more?
Yep, just one more. Perfect. Got it. And one more for safety. A little bit louder even. Yes. So, action. I don't think they're coming back.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm muttering. Yeah.
I just don't want this to be an hour-long play about a camera load.
We might cut around it a little bit.
Yeah.
So don't stress about it. Like,
Just rock through it.
you know, just do it at like a pace that you can actually do it, and then if I need to fine tune it, you know, because really the main thing this is about is like seeing the roll of film in your hand,
Right.
going and
Getting
getting the camera. It's like it's that simple. I'm ready. And we're rolling. I'm rolling. Let's just try one. I got a battery warning popping up. Let's do this.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You tell me, because it's a very technical shot. So.
Yeah. Okay, now. And start walking in. Okay, I'm rolling. And start walking. That was too late, yeah. Okay, we'll try it again. And now. Cut. Cut.
Cut.
Cut. Okay, I'm rolling.
I'm speeding.
Okay, this is scene 29, carrot, take 1. Action. Okay, I'm ready. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, Dana, you ready?
Speed.
Camera rolling. Scene 29, carrot, take 1. Real take 1. Action. Camera rolling. And action. And I'm rolling.
10 speeds.
Alright, scene 29, carrot, take 3. Action.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
All good.
Okay. What is this, take 2? Scene 29, donut, take 2. Well, let's take it from the top. Sorry, I lost my focus.
I was wondering when that was going to happen at some point.
Yeah.
Still speeding.
It
I'm trying to
was
split that dip. I know it got a little quieter to. But
at the beginning. It was like you were sad, which was interesting. It wasn't what I expected.
Okay.
So
Right level, different energy.
right level, I think. Yeah, remember
Okay.
like
Yeah.
petulant.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. All right. Scene 29, donut, take 3. Dane, are you speeding?
Yeah, you might want to call that again.
Okay, scene 29, donut, take 3. Donut. Cut. Got it. Cut.
It's metal as fuck, bruh.
Your clothes are filling.
Sorry. It's not my job
Come on,
to
Phil.
close backpacks. I'm
It is. 100%.
Okay, I'm rolling.
Do you need Mike?
Oh yeah, let's get Jesus.
You're good.
Let's get Jesus.
Amen.
Quiet on set.
I want to talk though.
Okay. Seriously. Action. Slower, like, what if you... Sorry. What if you hold it by the top? That's good. Mm-hmm. And I'm rolling, and you're already going.
Did you hear my knee pop like 4 fucking times?
No.
Like in the goddamn booth?
Yeah.
The 2 times I pivoted, I heard it crack 2 separate times.
Do you need like a
Unnecessarily
we have a
distracting.
cortisone shot?
Yeah, right, seriously. Okay, alright, so.
We're still rolling.
I'm in the movie now.
Oh, we are still rolling. Still rolling. This is all going in the blooper reel.
And you're sitting very straight.
And I'm rolling, so whenever you're ready. Okay, another one. We're rolling. And I'm rolling. We don't need to do a focus move on this. It's just gonna. So I'm rolling, and whenever you want.
That is not what I like. Try that again.
I'm just gonna keep rolling on this. So, it's just Christmassy.
It's very, that production.
Boy.
Are you gonna see my butt?
No. No, we're not.
Good. Too fast?
Slower, yeah.
Ah, fuck, sorry.
That was kind
I'm
of
trying
good.
to locate the...
Okay, now we're gonna try a couple with the flash.
so
Sorry. And give me just one more.
Ish?
Yeah, no, we got it. Yeah. These shots are
I
kind
know,
of just like raw material
Yeah,
for
they're gonna be
like
so fast in the
an
cuts and
experimental
everything.
video art piece,
You're
basically.
still rolling. Do we cut it?
Oh yeah, cut it. I'll be your eye line for this. I'm gonna roll another one.